See these little guys flying over places like parks and beaches, but soon you'll see them flying around USF. The university letting students check drones out from the library starting this fall. Our Brendan McLaughlin is in the newsroom tonight with more details on that. Hi, Brendan.
Hi, Linda. Clearly, libraries are not just for books anymore. At USF, they've been trying to make all kinds of technology available to students, now including the remote-controlled drones that have caused so much excitement and controversy. One of the USF Library's first drone flights recorded this jazz performance from about 30 feet in the air. Today, the staff showed off the device, now available for checkout by students studying anything from engineering to environmental science.
For example, in architecture, they could also go over a structure and understand the various dimensions of it without having to look at drawings and kind of estimate.
Engineering student Rachna Vidi is intrigued.
I think that might be cool.
But one student in the actual library, where they still keep books, is skeptical.
I'm pretty sure I'll just crash it somewhere, cause some sort of accident.
Amazement at what these lightweight camera-toting quadcopters can do has been tempered by safety and privacy concerns. They do crash frequently, and people are often more annoyed than amazed at the eyes in the sky.
There's a drone here!
Hockey fans recently managed to knock a drone out of the air with a T-shirt in front of the Staples Center in L.A. And at least one USF student even has concerns about inappropriate use of drones on campus.
I don't know, just creeping on other people or just like, lurking.
But Academic Services Director Nancy Cunningham says anyone checking out a drone will be thoroughly trained and supervised.
You can't just take a drone, check it out, and do whatever you want. They're going to be heavily controlled by our library staff.
The two camera drones purchased by the USF Library cost about $1,000 each. They're high-end. And yes, like all checked-out video equipment, you break it, you bought it.
Good story, all right.